decisions. Burning down all the bridges. Dig them up now, but finish. Sorry, don't want you to visit, no. One last ticket, I'll be gone. Make it count, put the flash on. Never really felt like I belong, so I'll be on my way.
What are you doing?
Do you guys by chance have float tanks in stock? I'm kind of in a pickle.
Yeah, I'll load it up and I'll head over that way. Give me just a little bit.
Sweet, thank you guys so much.
No problem.
Alright, bye.
Bye. Hey guys, I'm Matt. I own Speedhouse in Edmond, Oklahoma.
This is Justin. I own Lines Company in Edmond, Oklahoma.
We both do air ride suspension. Mercedes beside me, we're doing a full floor in that. That'll give a good representation of something that's under construction. So we did a conversion over to air struts on it. Slipping or spinning on the dyno, and then I got a little bit of a misfire too, so I may have to adjust the plug cap on it. I'm Matt, this is my 2007 BMW 335i. Today we will be installing a Clutch Masters 850 series twin disc setup.
Everyone, my name's Cameron as always. Today we're going to be talking about kind of something a little special. We're going to be going over another shop car. It's my 2013 Dodge Charger SXT Plus. Okay, what we're going to be doing today, we have a Gen 2 R8 coming in for Soul Performance exhaust. Alright, so today, working on a Mark V Subaru. So these, most mirror caps are just hold on by tabs.
This, if you saw previously, we put Evolution Raceworks mid-pipe on this X3M. We're going to change it out to a Remus muffler. We went from a broken N54 car to I bought a broken M5. Hey guys, thanks for tuning in. Today we are going to do a full catback installation on a F90 M5 competition.
Oh my! Okay, we don't need a fire extinguisher. Why is there a jerry can? 3 fire extinguishers? Crazy, ain't it? I don't know who took the photo.
There was a pink Lamborghini and none of us saw it.
Yes.
Where the hell did you come from?
It broke.
You were just here.
Yeah.
Poof, and he's back. Like, just watch it. today we have a M3 competition, the G80 body style that we're going to do a Valvetronic Designs full exhaust system on, and we're going to do a set of sport cats on that as well. I win! Put it in reverse, Terry! Ow, Lord! White one is also broke. Believe it or not, I wasn't even doing anything harmful. Yeah, who blew that one up, Matt? Allegedly, Matt did.
Take me home.